Good day guys, and welcome to Pesquis Graphics YouTube channel. Please endeavor to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. So today I'll be teaching us on how to make a simple advert flyer using our Pixel app. So quickly I'll go to my Pixel app. This is my Pixel app. You click on it. You cancel last operation. I'll delete this text here. Delete it. Good. Now this is the flyer I want to design. I'll go to my gallery to fetch it. This is the advert flyer I want to design. This is it. Yeah, here is it. Good. This is it. So from here you see we have a woody background. So quickly we go to our gallery. You already have it in your Pinterest. So go to your Pinterest and download a woody background. You see so many background there on your Pinterest. That's a beautiful thing about Pinterest. You get almost everything you want there, except money. Okay, so quickly, I have the background here, the woody background. I'll click on it. Okay, I'll reduce this image here, and I'll take it to the front. Good. And I'll take this background here and make it bold enough to cover the space. And I'll come here and lock it so that it will not be movable. Now what else do we need? We need is a golden circle. You go to your Pinterest and you get that. I've already downloaded it on my gallery, so I go to my gallery to fetch it. I think it's here. Okay, this is it. I click on it and I try and reduce it to the size that I want. I'll reduce it to the size that I want. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then I'll use my relative position to position it at the center. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay, good. So the next thing is my shawarma. I go to my gallery. You can still get that every image from your Pinterest. I go to my gallery. I'll fetch my shawarma. My shawarma should be here. Okay, this is my shawarma. Okay, my shawarma is not here. This is my shawarma. I have pictures of shawarma in my phone. Okay, make it circular, and I'll try and shape it into this position. I'll reduce it to the size. Okay, and I'll use my position tool to gradually position it to fit into the circle. Good. I think I should increase the image a bit by one. Good. Now I think it's okay, that position. Let me just push it a little downward, backward. Good. So that is my shawarma inside that logo. Okay, what next? We have berry shawarma. So I'm going to go to my text and type in, I want to use splash shawarma this time. I'm not using berry shawarma, so I'm using splash shawarma. Splash shawarma. Okay, good. I'll position it here. If you see there's a type of font type that we'll use, I'll go to my Pixelab and search for that font type. But first of all, let me increase the size. This is the size. And make it 50. Make it 50. 50 will be okay. Then I'll make it bold. Good. Then I'll go to the font type. Then I'll change it to, this was the font type used, Alex Brush Regular. So let me increase the font size again. That will be very pronounced. Good. I think it should be okay like this. Let me make it 75. Good. Then I'll give it the color. It's a yellow color. It's a yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. Make the color yellow. Good. That is it. Then I use my relative position to position it at the center. Good. I haven't done that. I will have to put my slogan. I will say, okay, tastes, tastes, tastes delightful, delightful, tastes delightful. Make it 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that will be okay. Hope you can see it clearly because, okay, tastes delightful. I'll make it bold. Position it at the center first, using my relative position at the center. Let me reduce the text size, reduce it to so that it's a slogan, so it doesn't need to be more pronounced than the name. Okay, I'll make it 25. Relative position at the center, make it bold, make it bold, bold, and I'll slant it. If you see, it has a font type, so let me slant it first of all. I'll slant it. Good. You can decide to leave it like that, or you change the font type to the one that best pleases you. Okay, let me see the one that will be okay for me. I think, okay, that's delightful. No, okay, let me leave it at this. Okay, you can still use this brush. I don't want to use that same one. Let me use another one. I think I should use arm wrestler, or okay, I think amaranth bold is okay. Good. Taste delightful. So the next thing here, I'm going to get a shapes. I'll get a rectangle. This is it. Now I'm going to increase the radius of the rectangle so I can get that curved shape. I've said this in our introductory class before. Good. Let me reduce this image we are working with. Okay. Let me reduce this image for the now. Okay, check it up. Okay, here. I can use my relative position to position it at the center too, that everything will be very, very aligned. Remember I told us about alignment when working. Our work should be very, very aligned. Now, I'm going to type in specialize on shawarma. Specialize on shawarma. Specialize. Sorry, delete everything. Specialize on shawarma. Specialize on shawarma. Shawarma. Specialize on shawarma. Good. I'll position it here. But first of all, you know this rectangular shape was, the color here is milk color. Milk color. So let me apply the milk color to the shape. Let me apply the milk color to the shape. I think I have a milk color here. It's white. I have a milk color here. Okay. This is it. Now, why this text inside is black color. So I apply the black color to it. Apply the black color to it. Good. Then I make it bold. Just leave the font type like that. Leave the font type like that. So the next I'll use my relative position to position it at the center. Relative position at center. Good. Now from here you see specialize on shawarma is there. But I will want to reduce this specialize on shawarma. Let me reduce the font size. That will not be as pronounced as the splash shawarma. Don't know if you are getting me. Good. So I'll reduce this too. Reduce this too. Reduce it. position it at the center again. Position the text at the center. Position it at the center. Good. Specialize on shawarma. What is there again? So we have our Facebook, our Instagram, our email icons. So I go to my gallery. You see all these things in your Pinterest. I go to my gallery and fetch all these icons. I fetch these icons out. So I have my email here. Good. I have my email. I decide to make it circular or not. If you look at it very well, it's circular. Good. I fetch it here. You go again and you fetch the other icon. As you fetch the other icon from your gallery, fetch it. That's the Facebook icon. Make it circular. Okay. Make it circular. That's my Facebook icon. My Facebook icon. Then you go to your gallery and you fetch your WhatsApp icon. Fetch your WhatsApp icon. I have my WhatsApp icon here. My WhatsApp icon. This is my WhatsApp icon. What else? We have our Instagram icon. Go to a gallery and fetch our Instagram icon. Go to gallery. Fetch the Instagram icon. I have it here. Icon, Instagram icon. Where are you? Where are you? Okay. That's it. That's my Instagram icon. I fetch it. I reduce it to size. This Facebook icon, I have to delete it. Let me fetch another Facebook icon. I don't like that one. Let me fetch another Facebook icon. That will be okay for this job. Okay, I think I have it here. It's my Facebook icon. Okay, that's it. Good. This is how I want it. I want the white inside the Facebook to be shown very well. Good. Now, what do we have? Now, understand. Look at the way this. Look at the way this was done. Okay. Look at the way it was done. This, if you look at this place very well, let me lock all these things I've done so that they'll not be moving up and down. Specialize on this. Let me lock them up so that as I'm dragging, whatever I'm dragging, nothing will be moving along. Okay. Now look at this. If you look very well, you find out that these icons, they were placed slant. Look at the WhatsApp icon followed by the Instagram and the Facebook. You see. Now you are going to position it the way it just is there. Okay. Let me start with this, with my Facebook, with my WhatsApp. Let me reduce the size. I'll go to relative size. I'll reduce it to 5. Let me reduce it to 5 and I'll use my position to move it in the way that I want. Okay, let me move it here a little. Then what next? My Instagram follows suit. I'll reduce it to 5. I'll reduce it to 5. I'll position it. Use my relative position to position it. Okay, good. Then my Facebook, I'm going to reduce it to 5 too. And I use my position to position it. Okay, I'll make it faster. Good, I'll reduce it. Hope you're following. Okay, then I take my Instagram, my email. Take my email. I'll reduce the size to 5. Good. Then I'll use my position to move it this way. Now from the look of everything, you see that it has gotten that slant form. Now this is just how you can style your work, style it in the way you want, but don't do something that will not be presentable. Okay, now let me take the phone number. Let me put my phone number there. Okay, that's the phone number. So I'll reduce the font size because your phone number ought not to be overshadowing what is happening in this flyer. I'll make it 5, and I'll make 25, and I'll make it bold. And I'll use my position to position it very well. Position it very well. Good. So the next thing is position it very well. Good. Then the next thing is my Facebook and Instagram handle. So I will take my text and I'll write splash shawarma shawarma. Let me edit the text. Splash shawarma joined together. Okay. I'll make it, still make the size to be 25 so that it will be uniform. 25. Make it bold. Make the text bold. Then I use my position to position it gradually. Okay. Let it align with the 0. Then the next thing, I can still just duplicate this text, bring it here, and berry shawarma, let me say at gmail.com. So let me edit it. Berry shawarma at gmail.com. At gmail.com. Berry shawarma at gmail.com. So I'll use my position to now position it here. Position it very well. Ensure everything is okay. Now, I haven't done this. You can now say my work is almost ready. So let me remove this. Everything has been settled inside this. So let me try and okay, let me hide this one now. Now another thing you just need to do is that let me hide it first. Are you? Okay, let me hide it. Good. Now you see your work is almost set. So with this you have been able to design a very simple advert flyer for Splash Shawarma. Now other things you can just do is to okay, let me free all these ones that I've locked. Let me free the write-ups because we still need to touch something. Now this one you can decide to put strokes on it just to make it beautiful. You can come here and you apply strokes. You see the stroke color I'm applying is black. If you look at it very well, you see that there's stroke on it. There's a difference between it. If you zoom it, if I make it bigger now, you will see the beauty of it. Look at it. Let me bring it here. You see, and you can decide to increase the stroke size. So let me undo it. Good. So you can decide to increase the stroke size. So let me increase the stroke size. Okay. This is it. This is it. This is the stroke. I've enabled it. Let me increase it to like, okay, good. This is the stroke size. I'll still use my relative position to position it at the center. Good. Because anything I do to it, it will still be affecting it. Now I can make this my what's it called? The WhatsApp icon, a 3D icon. By making it a 3D shape, applying it, making it a 3D shape. Okay, I want it. Okay, you can, let me reduce it. The depth is too much. It's just too much. Okay, this is just for beautification. You can decide to leave it the way it is, and decide to leave it the way it is. But if you want to make it 3D logo, it will not be showing too much because it's just something that is very small. The icon is very small, so it won't be showing well. But all you just need for this work is what is here already. So with this, you have been able to design a very simple. Now watch, I want to show you another icon before we close this training. Another icon you can still use. You click on this place, and I like to merge this. This is the merge icon. I want to merge this shawarma and this so that they will become one. I'll click on it. I'll click on the object I want to merge, and I'll click OK. Now with this, I've been able to merge both the shawarma and this golden icon together. So with this, you see, I can increase everything together and reduce it. Now if you want to merge all your designs together, you can merge everything together depending on what you want. So I can use my relative position and position it at the center again. So just play along with all these tools. You see that they are very, very interesting. So with this, you have been able to design a very simple design for your client. So I will save it as splash. Let me save it as splash as a project. Then the next thing, you save it as what? As an image. Use your medium, take it. That is it. So till we meet in our next class, do endeavor to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. See you next time.